to Java. In this video, we are basically going to discuss about a template design pattern. This is one of the important behavior type of design pattern, and basically template design pattern defines the step of execute an algorithm, or it can be provided default implementation that might be common for all or some of its subclasses. Template design pattern is basically used to execute number of methods in a sequential manner. So that can be defined in a single method, how these type of steps or these type of methods can be executed, and that method is basically used for all the other subclasses. We can better understand when we are looking at implementation of template design pattern. Basically, template method consists certain steps whose order is fixed, and for some of the method implementation differ from the base class to subclass. And template method is basically it should be a final method which cannot be changed, so that the sequence of method calling or sequence of steps which we are basically following in template method will not become changed, and it is a behavior type of design pattern. In JDK, basically all the non-abstract IO stream or output stream or reader writer classes, all these are basically following the template design pattern. In Java, if we talk about an abstract list or abstract set, or we can say that abstract map also, all these are basically example of template design pattern. Basically they are internally using a template design pattern to follow up a number of steps or algorithm to make it functional abstract list or abstract set and reader writer and stream objects. So these are the basic things in template design pattern, and now let's jump for the implementation, and where we can see that how we can make a template method which basically make easier for executing a number of steps in a sequential manner. So let's just start the implementation part. Okay, for the implementation of template design pattern, what I do, I have created one Java project, and we have created one main class, and for implementation of template design pattern, I have taken an example of account. Whenever we are going to a bank to open an account, basically there are some steps which need to be followed to open an account. Either it is a saving account, current account, or any of the account. So for that there are some procedures which need to be followed. So I'm taking that example for creating template design pattern. So for that, what I'll do, I'm going to create one abstract type of class that is called account, and in this I'm creating one public final void open account method, which is basically calling number of methods. So for that, what I'll do, I'll create number of abstract method basically. So public void verify document, second method void verify address proof. Third is abstract void generate account number. Abstract void the other option is we can pass that passbook. So for that, hand over pass book. So I have taken these are the basic methods which are basically used to create an object in create an account in any of the bank. So and these methods will be called in a similar manner, sequential manner, whatever the so firstly document will be verified, then address proof will be verified, then after the document verification now there is a account number generation, and then after opening an account and providing a passbook to the user. So this is the basic features. Now I'm going to create two concrete classes. One is basically named as saving account, and that is basically what it will do. It will do the implementation of this account class and providing an implementation of all the methods. So here I'm just writing simply some statements. So I'm just copy pasting this. So first step is verify document for saving account. Second is address proof verify for saving account. Then another one is generate saving account number, then hand over passbook to user after account open. So these are the steps which these are the methods which basically abstract type in this account, and we have overridden. Similar type of methods or similar type of steps need to be followed if any of the user is going to create a current account. So for that I am creating one concrete class that is basically named as current account, and here also we are going to extend this abstract class that is basically nothing, just copy pasting these things, and in place of saving account I'll write it at a current account. So I'm just saving the time so that the video won't become lengthy. Current account open. Okay, so that's it. Now what I'll okay, so for calling methods we can make a main method, and in that what we will do, we will just take a reference of this abstract class ACC, creating new object of saving account, and on this ACC we can just call it open account. We can just run this program and check that what is happening. See, so basically what is happened at runtime, it is basically calling all these methods of saving account class, and all these methods are in same sequential manner run, which is basically mentioned over here. You see, firstly it is verifying the document for saving account, then address proof verification happen, then generating a saving account number, and then hand over the passbook for opening account. So similarly, if we want to run it for current account, we can make it as current account, and here is dot open account, we can call it, and just run it the code. Yeah, so the 6th and 7th line execution, this 4 line of execution happen for saving account, and when the 9 and 10th line will execute it, these are the statement will be executed for current account. So this is the template pattern. Basically we are defining the sequential calling of methods, which is basically calling in a similar manner, and we have basically templating this call so that at any time, without calling these things separately, uh, a programmer can call simply this open account method, and all the sequential things will be managed by this single method. So this is basically a template, becoming a template of calling all these methods. So that is the benefit of template design pattern. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like this video and comment out and subscribe my channel. Thank you.